This lesson we will multiply two binomials, and we're going to use the distributive property to do this. So we're going to start with distributing 5x times 2y and then 5x times 3. So 5x times 2y is 10xy, and then 5x times 3 will be plus 15x. Now we're going to distribute the negative 6 for negative 6 times 2y and the negative 6 times 3. So we'll have minus 12y minus 18. Now you need to look and see if there are any like terms that we can combine, and in this particular case there's not, so this is the final answer. The next example will be 3x minus 5 times 2x minus 1. And again, we're going to first distribute the 3x, and then we'll distribute the negative 5. So we'll begin with 3x times the 2x, which is 6x squared. Then we'll take 3x times 1 for negative 3x. Then we'll take negative 5 times 2x for negative 10x. And I'm going to put that underneath the negative 3x because they're like terms. And then finally, negative 5 times negative 1, which is a positive 5. Now, combining like terms, we end up with 6x squared minus 13x plus 5. Now I want to point something out with these products. The 3x times the 2x is the first terms of our binomial. And that product was 6x squared, so I'm going to call that f for the first terms. Then we're going to look at 3x times negative 1. Those are the outside terms, so I'm going to use the letter O. Then when we distributed the negative 5, we took negative 5 times 2x. These are the inside terms, so I'm going to use the letter I. And then finally we distributed the negative 5 times the negative 1. These are considered the last terms of the binomial, so I'm going to use the letter L, hence the word FOIL. What this means when people say they're foiling, they are simply multiplying binomials by using the distributive property. All right, the next example will be x minus 3 times 3x minus 4. All right, again, we're going to use our FOIL to help us keep track of our products. So x times 3x is 3x squared. Then we have x times negative 4 is negative 4x. Then we're going to take negative 3 times 3x for negative 9x. And then finally, negative 3 times negative 4 for positive 12. We add any like terms, we have 3x squared minus 13x plus 12. Here we see those outer and inner terms happened to add up together. It doesn't always happen, but it happens quite often. Finally, we'll have x plus 2 times 4x minus 3. We'll write our word FOIL. X times 4x is 4x squared. X times negative 3 is negative 3x. 2 times 4x is 8x. And finally, 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. So our result is 4x squared plus 5x minus 6. And again, our outer and inner terms happened to be like terms, and we could combine them.